In this video, I'll show you how to get unlimited Wise virtual card. To get started, go ahead and open Wise on your device. So in here, make sure that you're signed in into your Wise account. Make sure that you have also verified your Wise account. Now head over into the cards section beside the home button at the bottom of your screen. In here, you'll be able to find all of the cards that you have on Wise. So as you can see, I currently have this digital card that I've ordered. You can get a digital card by clicking on the top right corner of your screen with the label order a card to be able to get a virtual card on Wise. You can also get a physical card on Wise through this. So in here, just simply click on the next button under the digital card to be able to order a digital card for your Wise account. So in here, click on this order your digital card button at the bottom of your screen, and as you can see, you can use this digital card to pay online and spend easily everywhere you go. So you can get this instantly credited to your account. But if you want to order a physical card, go ahead and head back into that section, scroll down, and you'll find this physical. Click on the next button under that, and as you can see, you can get your physical card within 14 days, and you can use this to withdraw from any ATM and spend easily everywhere you go. So you can get this for a specific amount depending on your location. And that is how you can simply get an unlimited Wise virtual card. If this video helped you out, please don't forget to give this video a like, subscribe to the channel, and hit the notification bell to keep updated with our latest videos. Thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.